Hi there, and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at NetEase. This is ticker NTES. Now, while the rest of the market looks blah, NetEase is actually holding up well. It's above all its major moving averages and giving us just a nice sideways base of consolidation. Yeah, it's choppy and sloppy, but for the most part, it's still holding up decently. And if I zoom out here, I can see a pretty clear resistance zone that I think is pretty important for the stock for it to break out of this consolidation zone, and that's right around that 111 level. So I'm going to set an alert on my software for a breakout alert on NetEase right around 111. Now, they do have earnings coming up in the middle of November, but I think if the market starts to firm up, this could definitely be one to watch. Perhaps you want to consider getting a little piece of this stock around these moving averages and then adding with a break and a close above that 111 level coming on volume. So that's just a quick idea that I'm watching. I'm not doing much in this market right now, but I'm certainly building a watch list and looking for stocks that have a good amount of relative strength, and I think this is one of them. So I hope that's helpful, and I invite you to check out what we're doing over at StockMarketMentor.com. Hopefully, I'll see you on the other side.